Now, brothers and sisters, please rise, greet our true parents. Happy birthday, true parents.
Before Father's message, Father would like to have one special representative sing a happy birthday song. The representative coming from Korea, one of the oldest member of our Unification Church history, Mrs. Young, Yoon Young Young, who used to be singing just the beautiful soprano in professional way, but she was a professor of the Ewha Women's University. Because of the persecution of the university asked her to either follow Reverend Moon or leave the school, leave the university. Of course, she took that she left the university. And then thereafter, she was one of the truly tremendous pioneer, really proclaiming the coming of the kingdom of heaven on earth. Now, she is quite elderly by now, but I know you'll recognize her voice is as beautiful as she used to be as opera singer and one of the famous singer in Republic of Korea. Let us, 네? 나이만, 예, 그 얘기 했습니다. 예. 지금 연세가 어떻게 되시나요? 정확하게.
이름이니까 이름.
Mrs. 양 어디 계세요? 양윤영 선생님 어디 계세요? Mrs. Young. She's coming? We're looking for Mrs. Young now.
나야 일어난가.
Is she there? She's coming in?
저 메인 하우스에서 안 왔나 보다.
The security, please find her. Before she goes to spirit world.
어디 갔나? 뭐. 여기 없나?
Main house is 지금 아직 안 나왔지만 main house is 모양인데요. So while she's coming, why don't you, so the Father can see your faces, beautiful faces. Why don't we sing Happy Birthday, our true parent? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to parents. Happy birthday to you. Once again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to parents. Happy birthday to... One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to parents. Happy birthday to you. Why did you come here? I don't know why you assembled here this morning.
댄버리 가서 잘 쉬고 있는데 불러내고다 그래서 할 수 없이 왔다고.
I was very comfortable in Danbury, having a good vacation, and you make my life rather miserable bringing me out of here.
오늘 자 여러분들 그럴까나 오늘 참 날이 좋았으면 좋겠다 하는데 아침에 참 바람 불고 그래도 상당히 걱정한 사람 많을 줄 아는데 날이 잘 돼서 기분이 좋다고.
You know, this morning, everybody wished that we had nice weather today, and it was rather windy this morning, but getting better and better. So we have a beautiful spring day today, and for the celebration, this is the first blessing coming from Heavenly Father, God.
그래서 날이 좋기 때문에 좋은 기분 좋은 얘기 해야 되겠다.
So since weather is so beautiful and everybody feels wonderful, so I have to talk about something wonderful.
그리고 그간 저이 댄베리 소식은 이 가명을 통해서 잘 들었다고 그러고.
I'm sure every one of you heard about Danbury News through Mr. Kamiyama, and I'm sure you heard the testimony from him.
안 들은 사람 손 들어봐.
Those who have not yet heard his testimony, raise hand please.
얼마 안 되는 말.
Not too many, but you still get the testimony.
그 사람들은 관심이 없어서 참석을 안 했겠지.
You probably didn't have not so much interest about Father's affairs. You didn't attend his testimonial mission or the session, did you? Didn't you? You didn't know?
그렇죠.
Boston yet. Didn't come to Boston yet.
You didn't come to Boston yet.
버스턴 내가 제일 나중에 잘했다고 버스턴 언제 가고 있기 때문에 나중에 잘했다.
I asked him to go to Boston last.
내가
So that you get the best. Best and latest.
나는 자유로운 사람이라고 원래 자유로운 사람이라고.
As you know, Father is free man, totally free.
자유를 좋아하는 거라고.
And Father enjoys nature.
그렇지만은 자유롭게 하지 못하는 생활을 많이 지금 하고 있다는 여러분 아니겠어요?
But then so many circumstances and environment rather bring him incredible pressure or sort of limitation to enjoy freedom.
일생 동안 사는데 내 마음대로 살았느냐, 너 마음대로 살았느냐 묻겠는데는 대답하기 어려운 곤란한 입장이 되잖아요.
If someone asked me, when you look back your entire life, have you lived according to your will? It is very difficult for me to answer whether I really live up to my own will or I was under someone else's pressure or will. Very difficult question.
여러분 어떻게 생각해요? 선생님은 어떻게 살아갈 것인가?
What do you think? What about you? How you think about the father's life? He lived entirely in accordance with his own will?
그 가츠율이라는 것은 무슨 가츠율이에요? 가츠율이라는 것이 하나님의 이상적인 가츠율하고 타락해가지고 구원, 복, 탕감, 복귀 가츠율이라고 둘이 땡가린다고.
When you speak of God's will, there are two different kinds of God's will. First, that is original God's will, without human fall. The other is after the fallen action become inevitable, become fait accompli, then it becomes restorational, circumstantial God's will. Both wills. There are two wills. Which one do you think? God has been living in his original first will or second?
Second. You know second. That's right. Second. 그럼 그 세컨드의 가츠율이라는 것이 하나를 따라가고 신앙생활하는 사람들이 자유로 할 수 있는 내용이 요만큼이나 있나 이게.
What do you think? When you follow God in his second circumstantial will, dispensational will, is there any room, any amount of room there, even tiny bit, that is believers and followers can do the things their own wisdom or own will, at whim? Is there such room, do you think?
No or yes.
Yes or no?
알긴 한다. 다 대답은 잘했다.
Well, you answered the correct answer. You are not dumb. You're clever. But the answer is good. However,
그러면 자유 없는 그런 정말은 탕감의 길이라는 것이 어떤 이야기야?
then what is then a kind of way of life that without true freedom and the living for the purpose of indemnity for restoration? What kind of way of life is that?
자, 젊은 청년으로 태어나고 이 남자로 태어나고 젊은 미인으로 태어나가지고 말이야 마음대로 사랑할 수 있는 환경을 가질 수 있냐 없냐?
What about? Suppose you're born as a beautiful woman, beauty queen. Do you think that she can live out her life just in accordance with her will, day to day, at whim? What do you think? She can do anything she wants? She go do everything she want to do?
Yes or no? No. 답이 쉽죠. 심각한 문제라고.
Well, the answer is clear, and you know the answer. However, the problem involved in that question is rather serious.
자, 여러분 사랑하는 저 아내가 있다면 아내를 마음대로 데려가 살 수 있는 길이 판감복귀의 길이 그래서 가능하느냐 못하느냐.
Suppose you are husbands and you have a beautiful wife, your loving wife. How much do you think in your life you can really do, in a full swing, to express your love in freedom and do everything you want to do with your wife?
그건 I don't know. huh?
Nobody seems to be volunteering to answer that one. Huh?
자, 그럼 남편이 아내를 부르고 아내가 남편 부르라고 한다고 해서 아이고 다 집어던지고 오늘 미국 습으로 넘버원 와이프, 넘버원 허스밴드고 달려갈 수 있는 얘기야.
So, let's say husband is calling wife and wife is calling husband. So you can just drop everything. Okay, you're calling me, I'll be there. And you can drop everything and go and do as you want, as she wants. In today's America's environment, or our circumstances would allow that.
응? Why no? 문제가 심각하다고.
These are now rather serious questions.
자, 그러면 이 땅의 하나님의 뜻을 역사상에 지금까지 역사상에 하나님의 뜻을 아는 데는 타락하지 않아서 타락하기 전의 뜻과 타락하고 난 후에 복귀의 뜻을 확실히 아는 사람이 도대체 있느냐, 누구겠느냐.
Then let us ask another fundamental question. How many people are there who understood God's will in two ways, original will and the inevitable circumstantial will after the fall of man? Is there such man who understood completely the both, differences of will of God in two separate circumstances? Do you think?
그 역사상에 그래서 그러면 그러한 뜻을 모르는 사람이 나오지 않았다 하면은 하나님의 뜻은 이룰 수 없다는 결론이 나오는 거야.
Then it is very obvious such a man who can interpret completely, precisely the God will before and after the fall, then that means without such a man on earth, there's no way we can even expect the will of God be done on earth, because no one even understood that will. How can expect that will be done?
이건 이론적이라고.
That is very logical conclusion.
그러면 옛날에 말이야. 들어서 아벨이라는 사람이 타락한 이후에 하나님이 알고 있는 탕감의 뜻을 완전히 알았느냐. 한번 역사를 거쳐보자.
Even let us consider historically. Adam, first man Adam, after his fallen action, did he really know? Did he really know that what was wrong with him? What went wrong with the history of God? Did Adam know?
타락한 후에 아벨은 어떠냐?
How about Abel? Abel, children, those Cain and Abel. Abel knew then precisely the will of God.
자, 또 그러면 노아는 노아들은
What about Noah? Noah, he's a faithful man. He want to be obedient to God, but did he know precisely what God has been thinking, doing?
Yes or no? 또 아브라함은 어떠냐?
What about Abraham? No. Abraham.
야곱은 야곱.
How about Jacob?
그다음 더 나가서 그 모세는 어땠어요? 모세.
What about Moses?
그다음에 또 누구야? 그다음은 누군가?
Who's
신학으로
next then? Huh?
세례 요한.
Well, John the Baptist.
응? 그럼 누가 알았네? 누가 알았나? 예수님으로 들었을까?
What about then Jesus?
응? 뭐야 예수님 알았어 몰라서?
Do you know Jesus knows the God will? Yes or no?
그래서 말을 해야 되지 왜 말 못했나?
Why didn't he tell us then everything?
노원 레슬이지만 후대 사람들이 앞으로 예수를 믿을 것은 알았을 거라.
But he knew then, even though contemporary people may not listen to him, but he's speaking to the history, he must leave the truth to the history for knowing that the posterity will listen.
그때 말대로서 그렇게 기독교 가지고 세계 이렇게 됐을 거 아니야.
So when he gave us a plain truth, then Christianity would not be like this, and the world situation would not come down to this level.
오늘 미국 기독교를 믿는 미국이 오늘 이와 같은 미국이 됐을 거라. 썩어져가고 냄새가 나는 미국이야.
The Christian nation of America today would not be in this shape. This is smelly and rotten. Now it's getting more and more every day.
그럼 알았느냐 몰랐느냐?
Did he know? Did he know completely?
그 확실해 갔다고. 알았을 거라 물어봐. 알았을까 몰랐을까?
Let us make it, make it very clear. Did he know very clearly? Did he know? Yes or no?
응? 그 문제라고. 몰랐느냐? 몰랐다면 큰 문제라. 몰랐다면 하나님의 뜻을 이룰 수 없는 것이 아니야. 그럼 어떻게 메시아 되냐? 하나님의 뜻을 이루려 오시는 분이 메시아인데 몰랐다면 어떻게 하나님의 뜻으로 이루느냐?
If he did not know, then how could he fulfill God's will? Because he is the coming as the Messiah to fulfill the will of God, but he did not know the will of God. How did he do that? Then in that case,
설계를 이렇게 해놓고 전부 다 잼대로 재내가지고 맞춰가지고 확실히 알고도 해도 번번이 실패하게 말하고 안 들어가 맞게 말하는데 말이야. 몰라가지고 어떻게 뜻을 이루는 거야?
even if we know completely, the A to Z, completely know the will of God and His plan, His program, His schedule, still it is not easy to fulfill. There's so many things can go wrong. But even to begin with, if there is no clear understanding of the will of God, then it's virtually impossible.
그래서 역사상에 그런 이 하나님의 뜻을 타락한 이유와 타락의 전 뜻을 모르는 사람이 아는 사람이 안 나왔다면 오늘날 종교 목적은 성사할 수 없어.
So that means until history welcome the person who really understands the will of God, then the fulfillment of the religion would not be possible. It's just virtually impossible.
자, 그러면 여기서 하나 문제가 생겨. 예수는 알았으면 얘기를 할 때 그 왜 아는 분이 후대를 위하고 기독교를 위해서 알았다면 왜 말을 못했을까? 이게 문제라.
And Jesus as a Messiah must know. Then, for the sake of the posterity, even though he got the opposition in his own time, for the sake of history, sake of posterity, he should have known. He should have let the message known to the people coming behind him.
그렇다면 오늘날 이 망해가는 기독교 현세를 바라보는 우리 기독교인들은 예수를 붙들고 당신이 뭐냐고 메시아를 하고 있다면 말보다 그냥 투자가 동방해볼 그걸 분지했으면 날 것이야.
If true Christian is a really true Christian out there, should be able, should be in a position to say, Jesus, why didn't you tell us the directions and the messages and the full will of God? Otherwise, we would not have been in this kind of confusion and chaos.
그것은 뭐야 이게? 문제라.
So this is the question. Jesus, what exactly were you? Why didn't you tell us?
그러니까 왜 말 못했을까?
There must be. Why? There must be some why. Why couldn't he tell the truth, the whole truth, naked truth?
He didn't have the foundation that he needed.
What kind of foundation?
He needed on a national level, foundation of faith, foundation of substance, and foundation to receive the Messiah. He didn't have any of that established. God destroyed it.
그 파운데이션도 필요하지만은 하나님의 뜻을 누가 먼저 미리해야 되느냐 하는 거예요. 하나님의 뜻을 누가 먼저 미리해야 되느냐 하면은 누가 먼저 미리해야 되냐면 하나님이 먼저 미리해야 되고 하나님이 제일 사랑받을 수 있는 아들, 딸이 이루어야 되는 걸 알아야 된다. 응?
이루어야 된다.
그럼.
The important thing is this, even though foundation is very important, but the most important thing would be that the will of God must be fulfilled by first God, by God, then the direct children of God, immediate son and daughter of God. They must be in a position to not only know the will of God, but to fulfill the will of God.
자, 그러면 하나님은 말이야. 응? 하나님은 이런 동산에 사람을 짓고 무엇을 이루려고 아담을 지어놓고 해와를 지느냐 이게 문제. 이게 뭘 하려고 지느냐? 하나님의 뜻을 이루어 지는데 뜻을 이루는 데는 어느 때 이루려고 하느냐 이 문제. 어느 때 이루려고 했느냐?
So when God created the earth and the Garden of Eden, Adam and Eve as the children of God, there must be, they were created to fulfill the purpose of creation, God's purpose of creation. Then when God would like to fulfill that purpose, what kind of timing God has at that time?
응? 언제 이루려고 했냐? 언제? 나자마자 그래 잘하는 것이 하나님 뜻이야?
What about immediately after their birth? Immediately after birth, they're crawling as a baby? God want to fulfill that particular moment instantly?
그러면 하나님의 뜻을 이루는 건 대체 뭐야?
What is it, first of all? The doing the will of God, the fulfilling the will of God, what is it?
하나님의 기뻐하는 하하하하 됐다. 이런.
That fulfillment exactly is very simple. God will be overjoyed, ecstatic, and in great laughter. Ha ha! Now I have done it. Now my will be done.
그게 뭐야?
What is it?
응? 뭐야? 그게 뭐야? husband and wife인데 말이야. wife인데 말이야. 그게 어들은 husband이고 어들은 wife야.
So yes, husband and wife involved. But what kind of husband? What kind of wife? Father, God.
true woman, true man이 어떤 놈들이야?
So what kind of men and women are going to be true men and women?
Perfectly
What kind of men and women?
They perfectly reflect God's image.
뭐 God's image perfect. That is perfection man. 왜 accomplishment? 뭐 안만 했다가 그냥 어떤 놈들이야 이게?
What kind of men and women?
그래야 돼. 어? 그게 perfection이고 무엇이고 그게 어떤 사람들이야?
Perfection. You're talking about the perfection, the will of God, and what kind of men and women are we talking about?
풀러면서 노래.
Okay, true love. Show me true love. Where is it? And what kind of love is true love?
그 풀러면서 뭐라는 거야?
So, doing true love for what? For what? For on earth. You should do the true love.
그 불필 뭐 가슴이 그게 뭐야? 이게 뭐라는 거야 이게?
What is it?
풀러고 무슨 남자 여자가 다 이게 뭐라는 것이야 이게?
True love. What is it? Men and women? No? Come together. What? For what?
Perfected children. The goodness.
아니야 퍼펙트 칠드라냐? 퍼펙트 칠드이 뭐야 이게? 그래야 돼? 여기서 문제야 이게. 그럼 하나님의 뜻을 이룬다는 것이 어떤 것이냐?
This is the very problem.
안팎으로, 정으로, 행으로, 중으로, 사방으로 완전히 하나 되는 것이 하나님의 뜻을 이루는 것이다.
남자가 하나님 같은.
하나 되는 거, 하나 되는 거, 하나 되는 거. 전후 좌우 상하를 완전히 통일되는 거.
So, perfection means, you know, the men and women, true men and women. You talk about true men and women, perfection, love, true love. That means that the men and women are vertically, horizontally, and front and rear, in every angle, every direction, become one. Become totally harmonized.
Unified, not harmonized.
Unified.
Unification.
Unification.
With what? With what? 그때 가서 true love는 방편이야, true love. true love를 통해서 하나 만드는 것이다.
So how can we make a true oneness and a unification or unifying? Through true love. True love is like a methodology. Through the true love,
오늘 우리가 뭘 하겠다?
we can bring total oneness, total harmony.
Total what?
Total harmony, total unification.
Harmony different. Unified means harmony. Different. 그러면 어떻게 하나 되는 거야?
Then how can we become that oneness?
자, 아담하고 하나 되는 것도 이것도 하나 되는 거야. 이거 하나 되는 거야. 하나.
It's already one. Father and
자, 이것도
this is another one, oneness.
이렇게 하나 되는 거야.
What kind of oneness we're talking about?
마음대로 그런 하나 되는 전통적 내용이 다 있어야 된다. 예?
There must be some certain logic. What kind of oneness we're talking about?
하나님이 원하는 하나님 데서는 어디가 아래 될 것이 위에가 되고 위에가 안 되고 위에 될 것이 아래가 안 되고 왼쪽 것이 바른쪽에 가도 안 되고 바른쪽 것이 왼쪽 가도 안 되고 동부할 것이 어쩌고도 안 된다고요.
Oneness with certain order, certain component has its own position. Head should be head position. Arm has arm's position. An arm shouldn't be going down to leg position. Leg cannot come up to the head position. There must be a certain order, creative order, creation order. And according to order, it becomes in right position, right harmony, right, reunification.
그런 뜻을 바라는 하나님이 가만하다만 지어놓고 가만두들 수 있어?
So,
법을 세우지 말고 너는 빨리 커라!
so therefore, when God having certain concept of order, so when God created Adam and Eve, He just say, you can do anything you want and you'll be all right. No, there was a certain discipline and order. They got to come under that order.
그럴까나 안 그럴까나?
Is that true?
그래서 에덴동산에 아담 해를 내고 따먹지 말라는 말이 그 말이야.
This is why God granted men and women in the Garden of Eden the commandment that not to eat the certain thing, and not to eat the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. That was the first commandment God issued.
그러니까 아담이 땅에서 태어나가지고 많이 배워야 된다고야. 아담이야가 배워야 된다. 다 주관하려면 만물을 주관하려면 이 만물의 성격을 다 알고 특성을 알고 좋아하는 것 알고 나빠하는 것 다 알고 나지 않으면 안 된다고 말이라고.
So Adam and Eve, when they were created, they were supposed to be given a chance to learn, educate themselves, in order to become a lord of dominion, lord of control. Then they should know the creation, the certain characteristic, and without knowing educational process, they could not be in the position of the lord of the dominion.
자, 에덴동산에도 에덴동산에 새가 있었거나 없었거나.
What about in the Garden of Eden? There was a bird. Was there a bird? Yes or no?
No. No. I don't think so. Absolutely. 너 자신 선생님 안 만기야 나한테 치? 그왜 사슬이 돼?
Well, no matter
너는
what,
자신만만 해서
no matter how much, the Father really, scare you, but as long as the truth on your side, you have confidence. You can defeat Father, don't you? The truth is power.
Yes, that's right. 아니 그 있었다. 나비 있었겠나 없었겠나?
How about butterfly in the Garden of Eden? Yes or no?
개미 있었겠나 없었겠나?
Can you?
개미.
How about ant? Ro-
자 그러면 너들은 뭐 되고 싶어?
So what would you like to become? What would you like to become one?
뭐 되고 싶어?
What would you like? What is your desire to become what?
가시 뭐야 가시? 그 물어보는 거야. 너들은 뭐 되고 싶어? 개미가 되고 싶으냐 무슨 뭐.
You want to become ant? Or butterfly? Or bird?
그 뭐?
Then what?
트루소나무가 뭐야? 트루소나무.
So what is the true son of God?
사람이야 사람.
Well,
That's man.
That's men and women, human being first place. First of all.
응? 사람 되고 싶다 사람. 사람은 무슨 사람?
So in creation.
참 사람 되고 싶다 그래.
So your desire would be to become a human being. You don't want to be an animal. You don't want to be an insect. You don't want to be a plant and a flowers. You want to be a human being. You want to be a men and women. And what kind of men and women? True men and women. Yes or no?
그 트루맨, 응? 미국 대통령이라고 트루맨.
True men does not necessarily mean Harry S. Truman, the president of the United States.
그 트루맨은 그 미국 대통령 안만 해봐도 그 트루맨이 아니라고. 그것도 미완성한 사람이라고.
The Truman, you know, President Truman, no matter how his name was Truman, he would never be a true man, and still imperfection was there.
트루맨이 뭐 어떤 거 트루맨이야? 그 문제예요. 그 문제야.
So what is a true man? What is the definition of true man? What kind of men and women should be known as true men and women?
그래. 하나님을 중심하고 사랑을 통해서 하나 되는 영원히 하나 되 있는 사람이 트루맨이다.
True man, definition, centered upon God, first of all. Centered upon love and become one. Unification is fulfilled. Became one.
Forever.
That forever. For eternity. That is true man and true woman.
트루맨 알겠어?
Do you follow?
트루맨 거지 알겠어? 데피니션 알겠어? 왠지?
Do you know the definition now?
뭐라고 하면 얘기해보라고.
The first of all, true man, what should come in first? And next, love. Then,
Absolutely unified one. That kind of man are true,
men.
simple. Very simple. That's true. Simple. 응? 자, 그럼 뭐로 갖다는 손 들어. 서학교, 국민학교 1학년 애들도. 뭐로
Those who
갖다는
doesn't understand the true man definition, raise hand, please. So we send him back to elementary school.
알 갖다는 사람, 알 갖다는 손 들어.
Those who know now what the true man is all about, raise hand, please. Raise hand.
이제부터 문제라고. From no problem. 자, 너는 트루맨 됐어?
So then question is, next question. You know that question is coming. Are you true men and women?
이게 트루맨이야 뭐야? 폴스맨이야.
What about? This is a true men women's gathering or false men's gathering or what? False women's gathering.
트레인이 낙직까지. 트레인 몇 퍼센트? 100% 트레인을 오잖아.
You under training, but you always flunk. That's the problem.
자, 그러니까 큰 소리 하지 말고 오늘 내가 족쇄 나갔다고 말이라고.
So then you have no question today. You come under training, and you don't want to flunk. So you want to have father to really teach you and push you hard today. Yes. Would you accept that? Yes or no?
아무리 못 살게 그들도 나 트루맨 만들어줬어. 지원자 손 들어봐.
No matter how much hardship I may have to bear, tribulation I may have to bear, I want to become true men and women. Father, you want to make me true men and women? Do anything you want upon me. Those volunteers, raise them, please.
too much greediness. 자, 그러면 심각한 문제, 무슨 얘기야? 심각한 문제 간단하다고. 여러분 하루 아침에 일어나가지고 집에서 뜻을 위해 떠나게 될 때 오늘 제일 내 하나님이 사랑을 중 삼고 내 하나된 사람이 되어서 돌아오겠느냐 할 때에 여러분 자신의 생각과 마음이 대답을 어떨까? 큰일 났구나. 그런 세상이야.
The definition of true men and women are rather simple. Truth is always simple. Problem is how to do it, how to live it, how to fulfill it. In the morning you get up, you go to work, and until you come back, I want to live as a true man and women. And that question is not easy. You know, it's an enormous challenge in a way.
자신 있어? 심각한 문제야, 내 자신.
It's always very serious.
자, 누가 트루맨이 돼야 되는 이야기야. 누가 트루맨 돼? 내가 트루맨 돼.
Who should become a true man? Me. I am going to be the first.
그러면
I
오늘
should become a true man.
인간 세상에 있어서 우리 인간이 지금 타락한 인간으로서 요구할 것이 제일 중요한 게 뭐냐? 이것이 제일 중요해. 역사를 통해 자기 조상으로부터 천천만 후대를 통해 가지고 전통으로 남기면서 중요시할 것이 이것밖에 없다는 결론이 나왔대요.
So historically, this is the most crucial and essential question of men and women. Historically, you know, question is how we become a true men and women. When this question is solved, then you have solved all the questions. You already solved the questions of all.
자, 너희들 조상들 두고 바랄까나 안 바랄까나?
What about your ancestors? You know, did they want to become a true men and women? Yes or no?
또 너희 후손들은 어떨까?
What about your children and your posterity? Would they want to become a true men and women?
너희 후손들은 안 바랄 거라.
Oh, my children may not want it. Do they want it?
자, 그럼 이슬람은 심각한 문제야.
So what that question is yes,
내가
네.
그러면 에?
it's a serious question,
그러면
serious problem.
그 트루맨이 죽어서 되는 거야? 살아서 이 땅에서 돼야 되는 거야?
So
여기
that-
가서 되는 거야? 여기서 되는 거야?
The true men and women, that we would become a true men and women after we get up to the spirit world. In other words, after our death here on earth, or while we're living here on earth. Here on earth. On earth or in heaven?
어느 그러면 예수님이 트루맨이야 뭐야? 무슨 맨이야?
What about then Jesus? Was a true man?
뭐 보고 있어? 뭘 보고 있어?
How do you know he was a true man?
트루맨이려면 사랑, 하나님의 사랑이 있어야 할 텐데 그 마음에 사랑이 있어야 할 텐데 사랑이 있어야 할 사랑을 중심 삼고 하나님하고 하나 되고 전도 세상 전하보다 사랑 트루맨이면 억천만이라고 하나 되려고 하는 마음이 있어야 할 텐데
The true man must be shown true love in his heart. There's a full of true love. With the true love, he wants to unify with others, all people, in all humanity.
그런 거에 예수만 된단 말이야 안 된다고 응?
Not quite, not total.
예수님이 뭐 아담 해와 마찬가지로 예수님이 아담의 자리에 있던 해와가 있었어?
So then, we also know Jesus came as second Adam. He came in the position of Adam. Then there must be a position of Eve. Did he have Eve in his time?
그 트루맨이라는 것은 무엇을 했을 거야? 아담 자신을 위했을 거야? 여자 트루맨을 위했을 거야?
The true man. God prepared true man for the sake of true men, that is useful to true man himself, or for the purpose of serving true women. Which one?
그 남자라는 물건은 여자를 위해서 필요한 거야.
So the commodity called men was created for the sake of purpose of women, for the service to women.
그러면 여자가 하나님의 사랑을 중 삼고 영원히 하나 될 수 있는 남자라구나. 여기 트루맨이야. 간단하다고.
So men, then on the side of God, he sees that this man with true
맨날
love.
여자를 중 삼고 내 여자를 중 삼고.
So women is in the center, knowing this man is eternally united with this man, centered upon God and true love.
그렇게 얘기하면 이놈은 남자가 하나님의 사랑을 갖고 있고 영원히 나하고 하나님과 하나 될 수 있는 남자라구나. 그렇게 얘기하라고.
I cannot hit that hard farther. Women will say, this is the man who are going to love me, who are going to unite me forever. And he will not leave me. He will always unite with me and centered upon God. And that man, from the eyes of women in that position, was true man. True man. That man has no...
You are reality man. I like it.
You are my ideal person. Ideal man. And you'll never leave me. You'll never change. You maintain your purity. You maintain your, altruistic.
그럴 때 이거 조그마한 가만 들다 보니까 이 여자를 보니까 그 마음을 그때 내 마음을 아는 거 들다 보니까 이야 그 속에 하나님의 사랑이 있구나. 아 너도 나와 같이 나도 지지할 수 있는 사랑으로 영원히 갈 수 있는 그 사랑의 불상이 있구나. 이거 봐라.
남자가 여자가.
그럼 이게 프로그램이 되는 거야 이게.
So then men will look at that woman and are looking through her, just not the face, not through her, and he recognized this woman is having that love, an unchanging quality, the purity, service, joy, and he sees this woman is going to remain with me forever, and she and I, the men, are going to be one forever.
하나님을 중심으로 하나님을
Centered upon God, of course.
그래 그 남자가 너는 트루워맨이라고 하야 트루워맨이 지상으로
So,
역사가
actually.
시작되고 트루맨의 역사가 시작되고 그다음에 트루갓이 뜻이 이루어지는 거예요. 트루갓.
So actually, the men would recognize women as a true woman. In other words, citation or the diploma would be given by men. Men will recognize women as a true woman. And the women recognize men as true men. Then when they are united, then true God will become a reality. That's the only way God will become a reality.
간단하지?
It's that simple. That simple. That's the whole gospel. You heard the whole Bible.
자 이제 너도 생각해. 내 자신 좀 생각해봐.
Then you think of yourself. You look, reflect yourself. You look back, your own.
여기 뭐를 와서
What did you come here? Why did you come all assembled here? Why did you come to Belvedere?
응? 뭐를 와서
Why did you come?
나를 들어 상관없어. 너도 상관없어.
You have nothing to do with me. You have nothing to do with me.
예수님이 자기 어머니를 내서 열려 너 무슨 말이냐? 뒷장과 맞춰. 너 우리 어머니 아버지 아니야? 무슨 말이냐?
Even Jesus said his own mother, woman, you have nothing to do with me. Get behind me. You are not even my mother. You are not even my father. So I say to you, you have nothing to do with me.
That's true. That's true. I know. 그럼 그 선생님 틀렸어?
The father is wrong then?
그러면 예수님은 왜 물어보자. 예수님은 왜 말씀을 뭐 알았어? 우리가 알았다고는 메시아라고 할 수도 없다는 거야. 몰라서만 돼. 알았을 터인데 왜 말을 못했느냐? 왜 말을 못하고 후대 사람을 가르쳐 줬느냐? 가르쳐 줄래야 가르칠 재료가 없어서 못 가르쳤어. 재료가 없어. 보여줄 수 있어야지.
This is a very, very important question now he's answering. Father said, why Jesus did not tell us? Did he not know? Yes, he knew. He was the Messiah. He was supposed to know. He knew the truth. He knew the truth. So, he was in a position to know the truth. But he couldn't tell us the truth. Why? Because there was no material. There was no example. There was no model to present.